So today we have a broken Bissell PowerForce Bagless upright vacuum cleaner that the beater roller brush on the bottom stopped turning. Everything else works, still have suction through the hose. Let's find out what we have to fix. So this is a PowerForce Turbo Bagless 6596 series. So if we lay it on its back, this one's pretty easy to open. There's 3 little tabs here. So let's pull these tabs down. And which direction is it going to go here? There we go. There, pull them up. There we go. Pull those tabs up, and that's off. Well, here's our problem. We have a broken belt. So that's one part we're going to need. And the other problem is, why did the belt break? This brush is not turning. It looks like it's seized. So to get this out, just pull it out. It only fits one way. So on the end, this has 2 flat sides on this one. This is round, and this is where the belt goes. So you can't get it backwards. There's no way to get it backwards. The problem here is that these ends are seized. These should turn. So let's get some parts and get this repaired. So I got 2 parts we're going to need here. We're going to need one belt, Bissell model 32074. There's actually 2 belts in here, only need one. And the roller brush, Bissell part number 2032449. And we can see on this new part, if we turn the ends, look at how easy that turns. Both ends turn really easy compared to the defective one that is completely seized. And you can't just take these off and clean them. You could probably pry them off, but it's just easier to buy a new one and replace it. Let's get these parts put in. Okay, I put some light on there. Hopefully you can see the motor that sticks out there. So we're going to put this belt around that motor there. I know my hand's blocking it, but right there, the belt is around the motor spindle. And now we'll get the roller bar, line that up, and then we'll go, have to stretch it a little bit to get it in there. I'll put the left side in first because it has a slot. Roll it a few times. There we go. So we got both sides in. Let's get the cover that goes on there. Put the top in first. Those 3 snaps all went in. We got 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. They're all clipped in. That's all on there. So let's turn this over and turn it on. Okay, I'm going to leave it laying on its backside so you can see the beater brush rolling. It is plugged in. Here we go. And it's working. Problem solved. No tools required, just 2 hands.